Mutya number 1. Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Okay lang naman. So, may gusto ka bang pasalamatan, batiin, ngayong gabi?
Gusto ko po mag-thank you sa family ko and sa
Guwapa yan.
mga loved ones ko na nandito.
Okay. So, antayin lang natin yung mga closing na.
Sila, boss na. Kaya mo yan, Ate
Ash!
Ash!
Apat na natitira. Again, katulad po ng ginawa natin kanina, antayin lang po natin yung closing na. Okay na? Okay na daw po. Mutya number 1. 2 beses ko lang po uulitin ang ating katanungan. Ito naman po ay nakasulat sa Tagalog. Okay? Ang ating final question, bilang isang kandidata, ano sa tingin mo ang ipagmamalaki ng barangay Bagong Kalsada at bakit? Again, bilang isang kandidata, ano sa tingin mo ang ipagmamalaki ng barangay Bagong Kalsada at bakit?
As a youth candidate, one thing that the Barangay Bagong Kalsada will definitely be most proud of in one of their missions. The Barangay Bagong Kalsada's mission is being a landscaping capital, and I believe that it truly lived up to its name. You can see around here in Bagong Kalsada how vast Bagong Kalsada is and how it really lived up to its mission, being a landscaping capital. And as a youth, I believe that another thing that Bagong Kalsada will definitely be most proud of is the citizens in here. Around the citizens in here, you can see a lot of people